Hello students, I am Sudeep Sadrai from DAV Public School MTPS Kati. Today I am going to start a new lecture that is based on activity. Today I am going to explain the activity number 1 and the explanation of the proof of the first identity a plus b whole square is equal to 2ab a square plus 2ab plus b square. You have already found the algebraic proof of this identity in my previous lecture. Now today I am going to tell you to explain you the geometrical proof of this identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay students, now let us come to start. Let us draw a square PQRS of side length a plus b unit, of side length a plus b unit. You need not be confused about the side length of a plus b unit. Let us suppose the side of the square is 10 centimeter. Okay, let us have the side of the square is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, then a is equal to 7 centimeter. Let us have a is equal to 7 centimeter and b is equal to 3 centimeter. B is equal to 3 centimeter. Now you have understood a plus b. The side of this square PQRS is 10 centimeter. Suppose that is equal to a plus b. A is equal to 7 centimeter and b is equal to 3 centimeter. All of you understood? Now what do we do here? From this point x, that is end of the 7th centimeter, from this point x, let us draw a line parallel to the side PS. The line parallel to the side PX. The line is XW. The line segment is XW. Again, from the point T, let us draw a line segment TV parallel to PQ or SR. The length of this line TV is parallel to SR, and in this way we are going to have four figures. What do we have? The four figures. The four figures are, first one is PXUT. The another figure is XQVU. The third figure is VRWU or UVRW. And the fourth figure is STUWS. TUWS. Now you can understand that this is a square. This is a square. And this is a rectangle. This is again a square. And this is a rectangle. Now you may get confused. How, sir, it is a square, it is a square, it is a rectangle, and it is a rectangle. You may see that this line is parallel to this line. Okay, this line is parallel to this line, and this is a unit. Okay, so this side will be equal to this side. Okay, and this side will be equal to this side. Therefore, PTUX is a square. Similarly, this line is parallel to this line, and this is a unit. This is also a unit because this is a rectangle. This A is equal to this A, and this B is equal to this B. Therefore, XQVU is a rectangle. Similarly, UVRW is a square. Because here it is B unit and this is also B unit, this is B unit and this is also B unit. And similarly TUWS, yeah, STUW, this is also a rectangle. So we are having four figures. this pxut a square, x cube vu is a rectangle, and uvrw a square, and stuw is a rectangle. Now what is the area? Let us come to know the proof. What is the area of the square PQRS? Area of the square, you know, it is equal to side square. And what is the side of this square? As we have assumed, side of the square is a plus b unit. Therefore, area of the square will be a plus b square unit. A plus b whole square, side is equal to a plus b unit. From here, side is equal to a plus b unit. Therefore, area is equal to side square, that is a plus b square, a plus b whole square unit. Clear? First of all, we have seen the area of this square PQRS is side square, that is a plus b whole square unit. Now let us see the area square PTUX, this square, PTUX, this square. The area of this square is, you know, side square, and what is the side of this square? It is a unit. Therefore, its area is equal to a square unit. Clear? Now let us see the area of rectangle STUW. This rectangle STUW. Now what is the area of the rectangle? You know what is the area of rectangle? It is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. So length is a unit and breadth is b unit. You see, this is the length and this is breadth. Therefore, area of rectangle STUW is equal to length into breadth, that is a into b square unit, that is equal to ab square unit. Clear? Now area of UVRW, area of square UVRW. See, UVRW. What is the length of the side of this square? It is equal to b. Length of the side of the square is equal to b. Therefore, what is area of this square? UVRW, side square, that is side into side, and that is b into b, and it is equal to b square unit. So area of this square is found out. This is equal to b square unit. Now the next one is area of rectangle UVQX, this rectangle. Here the area of this rectangle is, you know, length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. What is the length over here? The length is a unit and the breadth is b unit. From here also, this is parallel to this, so this is b and this is also b. So its area is a into b square unit. Okay, clear? So we have found out the area of all the four figures. This a square unit, this b square unit, this ab unit, and this ab square unit, and this ab square unit. Now from the figure it is evident, that area PQRS is equal to area of this, area of the plus area of this, plus area of this, plus area of this. Because you can understand, this much square, the one square PQRS is simply divided into four parts. So one part is this, another is this, third one is this, and fourth one is this. So if we add the area of all the four figures, what will you get? It will be the area of the same square PQRS. Correct? So it is evident from the figure that area PQRS is equal to area PTUX, this plus area STUW, and plus area UVRW square, and plus area UVQX, this rectangle. And so if you add all, if you put the value of these areas from here, it is a square, and this is ab unit, this is b square unit, and this is ab square This is AB square unit. When you add this, you will have A plus B whole square is equal to A square. AB plus AB we have added together. It is 2AB and plus B square. So lastly we are having A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2A plus B square. So dear students, it is the proof, geometrical proof of the identity A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, so I think all of you must have understood. If you have any queries, if you have any query or if any problem in understanding, you may consult me on my phone number. Or dear students, I am just going to start the new identity, teach you, explain you the new identity, that is A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Just before, in our previous lectures, we had studied about A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, or A square minus B square. Here it is a different type of identity. Here we are having three terms, that is a square of a trinomial, and it is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now let us see its proof. The proof A plus B plus C. The proof is A plus B plus C whole square can be written as A plus B and plus C. No problem. Here A plus B is taken together, considered as the one term, and C as the another term. So this A plus B plus C has come on the pattern A plus B. Here A is equal to A plus B. Any problem? You may consider it to be X also, Y also, that doesn't matter. But here we are going to consider the whole term A plus B is equal to A. Means one term. A plus B is equal to one term, that is equal to A. Or you may take it to be X or Y also, no problem. Now let us see if it is of the pattern A plus B whole square. Okay, here A is equal to how much? A plus B. Now it has come on the pattern A plus B whole square. You know, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. What is A? A is equal to A plus B. What is A? A is equal to A plus B. And so A square means A plus B whole square. Okay, A square plus 2AB. What is again A? A is A plus B. A is equal to A plus B. 2AB. What is B? B is equal to C. And plus B square. B square, what is B? It is equal to C. Sometimes students used to get confused. Okay, so here I am once again I am going to explain. This A plus B has been considered as one term, that is A, and B for B it is equal to C. C को हमने B माना और A plus B को हमने A माना. ठीक है, तो यह रिड्यूस्ड किस में हो गया? A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. And A plus B whole square क्या होता है? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now A square, what is A square? A is A plus B. A is equal to, here we may consider A is equal to A plus B and B is equal to C. A is equal to A plus B. We have considered A is equal to A plus B and B is equal to C. So here A square means A plus B whole square. 2AB, 2 into A is equal to A plus B into B is equal to C. B is equal to C. So 2AB and B square. B is equal to C. So for B we have written C square. Now just expand it. You know, A plus B whole square, A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now the next is here. Now you may just multiply it 2C into A. 2C into A. 2CA, 2C into B, 2CB and plus C square. No problem. Now a square plus 2a plus b square. 2ca I have written just like 2ac. Okay. Now 2cb it has been written as 2bc. That doesn't make any difference. C into b or b into c. It will remain the same. So it is 2bcn plus c square will remain as it is. Now I have just arranged the square powers together. So it is a square plus b square plus c square. From here a square, b square and c square. And then the terms having ab, bc, ca. It is 2ab now from 2bc and 2ca. So we are going to have a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. This much has been more condensed. We have taken 2 common from all the 3 terms. So we are having 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. I don't think you have any problem. It is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to. In learning process, it is very easy. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac or 2ca. Here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ac. 2ab, 2bc and 2ac. 2ab, 2bc plus 2ac or 2ca. Okay, very simple. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. If you practice it once again, it will become very clear. Now we are going to solve some problem based on this square, on this identity. Okay, just have a question. I am going to explain on the blackboard and then you will be able to solve the other questions also. So dear students, let us see a problem I am going to explain based on this identity a plus b plus c whole square. Let us have expand 2x plus 3y plus z square whole square. See here, it's very simple. It has to be expanded 2x plus 3y plus z whole square. Now you can understand it is equal to a, it is equal to b and it is equal to c. So we are having a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, any problem? 2x plus 3y plus z square is equal to a plus b plus c. Here 2x is considered as a, 3y is considered as b and z is considered as c. So we have solution like this: 2x plus 3y plus z whole square is equal to, just we have considered a, b plus c. What is the formula? What is the identity? A plus b plus c whole square. Recall: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ac. 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c, and so 2ab, recall a it is equal to 2x. 2ab, 2x into b is equal to 3y. Sorry. A square. First of all, a square. What is a? 2x. We will put in the bracket and then we will write a square plus b square. What is b square? What is b? B is equal to 3y. So 3y square. We must put in bracket and then you will do it. Otherwise, you will commit mistake. Now plus c square. It is z square. It is alone, so it may be written like this. After that, you will see 2ab. 2. What is a? A is here 2x. A is here 2x. And what is b? B is here 3y. B is here 3y. 2ab plus 2bc. What is b? 2ab, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc. What is b? B is 3y. And what is C? C is z plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. 2ca. 2 into what is C? C is equal to z and a is equal to 2x. Correct? Now just simplify it. 2x whole square, square of 2 is equal to 4, square of x is equal to x square. Similarly, it will become 9y square. Similarly, it will become z square. Now, see here, 2 to the 4, 3 are 12. 12. We will multiply the numerical coefficients first of all. So, 2 to the 4 to the 3, 3 it is 12, x and y. Plus, see, 2 3 are 6 and there is 1 only 6. Y into z. Yz and plus 2 into 2 4 zx. Any problem? See here, a is equal to x is equal to a, 3y is equal to b and z is equal to c. Now you recall the formula: a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ca. Similarly, 2x whole square a, 3y square it is equal to b and z square, z is equal to c is equal to z, so c square is equal to z square. In this way, you have multiplied and got solved and you have got the answer: 4x square plus 9y square plus z square plus 12xy plus 6yz plus 4zx. Okay, so we are going to deal with one more example. Okay, we are going to deal with one more example. Let us have another example. Is like this. Another example I am going to explain. Here it is: a 2x minus 3y minus 4z whole square. It is also of the same pattern and it has to be expanded. But a question may arise in your mind. Sir has told me the formula it is only a plus b plus c. But here are the terms with minus sign. What will be the other formula for doing this? What will other identity for dealing? We haven't understood the identity a plus b. We have with minus sign. So what can be done in this way? Nothing can be done, dear students. Don't be very problematic. It's very simple. We will write this in the form of a plus b plus c and then you will use this formula. Just like c, 2x minus 3y minus 4z whole square. This may be written like this: 2x plus, it can be written minus 3y and plus it can be written minus 4z. Any problem? No problem at all. It can be plus minus, it will remain minus 3y and plus minus it will remain the same by 4z square. 4z. So I don't think you have any problem. Now it is better to understand that a is equal to 2x and plus b is equal to minus 3y and plus c is equal to minus 4z. What is the value of a? Value of a is 2x. What is value of b? It is minus 3y. That's why I have kept in the bracket, so that you may consider, you may see very clearly that b is equal to minus 3y and c is equal to minus 4z. Any problem? What is the value of c? Now recall your formula. It is based on the identity a plus b plus c whole square. Now just recall the formula. If you recall the formula, you will have a square, it is 2x, no problem. 2x, it should be put in the bracket, always remember. Plus b square. What is b? Minus 3y whole square. Especially while you are dealing with the problems of negative terms, it must be kept in bracket. And positive term must also be kept in bracket. Why? Because I have seen in my course of teaching that the students used to write like this 2x square, they used to write 2x square, this answer. This is wrong. 2x square, they are writing 2x square. This is wrong because it will become 4x square. Unless you put in the bracket, you may get confused and sometimes you are going to commit mistake. So that's why I have explained to you to write always these terms under bracket. Here it is minus 3y whole square plus c square. What is value of c? Minus 4z whole square. Okay? Any problem? Now a plus b, a square plus b plus c square is clear. Now it is the term of 2ab, a square plus b square plus c square minus plus 2ab. What is 2? 2 is 2. What is a? 2x. And what is b? Minus 3y plus 2bc. What is 2? 2 is 2. What is b? Minus 3y. And what is c? Minus 4z. And 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. What is 2? 2 is 2. What is c? It is minus 4z. And what is a? It is 2x. Clear? Now you will have 2x whole square. It will give you 4x square. Any problem? Square of 2 is equal to 4 and square of x is x square. Now here see minus 3y square. What is the square of minus 3? What is the square of minus 3? You may see minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 square is equal to minus 3 into minus 3. And what is this, you know? Minus into minus plus 3 3 are 9. So it is clear, it will give you plus 9y square. Again come ahead. Minus 4z square. What is minus 4z square? Minus 4 square is equal to minus 4 into minus 4. And this will give you plus 16. Minus into minus plus 16. So it is 16z square. Okay. Now come to the another topic here. Let us see. 2 into 2, 4. 4 3 are 12. 2 and 2 positive and 1 minus. So plus into plus. 2 is plus. Here also 2x is plus. So 2 to the 4. And what is minus 3? So you will have 2 into minus 3. So what will you have? What will you have? 2 into 2, 4 into minus 3. Plus into minus 3 is equal to minus 12. Clear? These two are plus. So plus into plus it is plus and 1 is minus. So plus into minus is equal to minus. Therefore you will have minus. You will have here minus. Here it is plus. And here it will give you minus. So minus plus minus 2 to the 4 to the 12 minus 12 xy. Again come ahead. Here 2 is positive, minus 3 into minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 4, what will you get? Plus 12. Minus 3 into minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 4, minus minus plus. So minus 3 into minus 4 is equal to plus 12 and yz. Plus 12 into 2. 2 into 3 minus 3 into minus 4 is equal to plus 12 into 2. It is 24. So it will give you plus 24yz. Any problem over here? No, I don't think you will have problem. Here minus into minus plus into plus plus 24yz. And here again see 2 into 2 4. 2 and 2 4 it is plus and it is multiplied by minus 4. So plus into minus it will be minus. And so 4 to the 8 to the 16 minus 16 zx. So dear students, you have got the answer. The students are committing mistakes here in this minus and plus. So the concept must have been made clear that whenever plus and minus are there, you should be very active at that point, and you will do it very clearly. Here minus into minus into plus is equal to plus. Here plus into minus, it is minus. We multiply the two terms, minus into minus into plus, it is minus. So we have written 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 16z squared minus 12xy plus 24yz and minus 16zx answer. So I think you might have been able to do all the problems based on this identity. Whatever the minus or plus may be, we may consider by keeping it separately in bracket, and by we will understand that what is B, what is C and what is A. So with the I think you must have understood. If you have any query, you will ask me on telephone on my number. It is already given to you. And if you want, once again I will write it, my WhatsApp number and my phone number. Okay, if you have any query, and the worksheet, that is assignment, will be given separately on your snapshot. So with these words, I am going to end my lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.